Good morning, everybody. I know it's been a long time since you guys have seen my face. Been, building a silence, a little hibernation, but today's video is pretty exciting. I've been just holding off on like everything and like not posting because I'm not gonna whole year. I've been like building in silence, but hopefully you guys are happy to see my face again. And today's exciting fucking video. Pretty much gonna be unboxing all carbon parts, like 10K worth of carbon fiber in this video. So pretty exciting. It's carbon fiber doors, wide body, which is rear, front fenders, and hood. So yeah, it's about to be a crazy ass video. Hopefully you guys enjoy. Hopefully you guys missed my face and ready to see this car back on the streets and have some fun. Pretty exciting to finally have all that done, and I don't know, it's crazy to finally see like the vision that I've been trying to like talk about. I've been wanting a carbon car, carbon drift car, carbon. So it's finally cool to see all the parts finally get here and see what it comes out. I'm excited to see what it looks like at the end of the day when I have everything installed. And it's somewhat kind of like a full carbon drift car. I just need the roof, which that has to get all cut out, and then the trunk. But I haven't bought the trunk yet because I'm trying to do something special and different. I might throw like I might throw a big wing on it. Honestly, I'm thinking about trying to make my own, like the new Mustangs, the GTD wing style, because I'm gonna have to do the the fucking Lexan window. So you're pretty much gonna have to cut anyways. So I'm thinking about maybe making custom wing with 3D brackets and stuff. So that's why I haven't got the trunk. But other than that, it's just pretty much the trunk and then the roof that's left for carbon fiber stuff. But other than that, the car is coming together. I'm trying to have it done by the end of the year. It's like a little like mission I've been on for myself, is to have it done by the end of the year, which for the most part is kind of done the outside. I wanted to work on the outside first before doing I still like the cage. I need a full cage in here. I need to do all that. I need seats and the handbrake. So it's coming together. I pretty much wanted to knock out all the big purchases, and yeah, pretty hefty with all the carbon fiber, but that's pretty much knocked out. So I'm pretty fucking pumped, honestly, to have this car finally done and like drive it again and just have fun with it. That's the whole point of it. That's why I haven't really been posting anything. It's like I'm dead on social media. There's like not much to post, and I just been like building in silence, to be quite honest. And it's probably the best thing, because yeah, a lot has changed in this year and life is going pretty fucking great, and I'm excited to finally have this car done and just have fun with it on the streets, drift it and take it to tracks and just see where it goes. But it's crazy because I manifested. I wanted a carbon drift car so bad. I've been talking about it for so long, so it's cool to finally see it kind of all come together. To open the doors, I've already opened one of them before. I was a little hyped up. So one of them is already kind of open. Yes. Yeah, it's pretty beautiful. God damn, that shit is shiny, super shiny. That thing looks crazy. The quality of it. Anderson composite, by the way, all of it. Hood, doors, wide body is all Anderson composite. But god damn, there's the other one. I don't know if I'm gonna open that one, but I guess we can open the big one. Pretty sure you guys already know what it is. Have not seen that hood, so pretty hyped for that. Damn. It's really, yeah, full on under. Got the vents on the side and a little like bump in the middle. I don't know the exact name of the hood, but it's not too over the top in your face either, which I was honestly thinking about grabbing the cow hood, the little 3-inch one, because I want the car to be pretty like crazy looking, but at the same time I kind of want to subtle. I mean, how much crazier can you get from a fully wide body Mustang? But yeah, we're going all out. It's pretty wild. Like, I don't even know what to say looking at it. I'm honestly just been staring at it for quite some time. Because I'm telling you guys, like, I've literally probably manifested having this car carbon fibered, and you know, shit ain't cheap. I'm just like an ordinary human working, trying to make my life as crazy as I can be. So seeing it is pretty wild, because yeah, this shit is not cheap, and I'm honestly, it's probably like everything right here. It's expensive. I'm not gonna throw a number out there. You guys know how much carbon is, but yeah. So yeah, I've just been staring at it. It's quite the nice view. Yeah, that pretty much concludes like the whole pretty much video. Sorry if it's super short. There wasn't really much to talk about. I'm gonna make probably another video after this. Right now I'm probably installing hood, the doors, doing like pretty much basic stuff. The wide body's pretty much mounted. It's just holes like to screw it in. For the most part, it's pretty much done with this video, and I'm gonna continue another one installing it. So sorry if this video is super short. I just wanted to come on here and kind of give you guys a little update, because I've been in a little hibernation. I'll see you guys in the next video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. It was short and simple, but yeah, pretty fucking sick having all that carbon fiber. So I'll see you guys in the next one.